Yeah, it's hard to imagine that that is descendant of a wolf.
There is not much wolf in you. I just don't see you ripping flesh from the carcass of the beast. Hey folks, how's it going? Today we are going to be complying with Airworthiness Directive 2020-24-05 on Piper Cherokee. We've got a Cherokee 180 here that we're doing. It's got the Hershey bar, a straight chord wing, and that's also points at Piper Service Bulletin 1304A to install an access panel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to, phone out of the way there. Okay, we're going to install this I'm going to call it with minimal tool type installation. We can use high-speed routers. We can use all sorts of other stuff. The owner has gotten a set of kit parts off of, that's right, eBay. Actually quite well made. Also has a template and all that. So we're going to be using that today. But we're going to be drilling out the hole using a chain drilling and then using small hole saws. Again, not everyone has a high-speed router and that kind of stuff. So, or nibbler, air nibbler. So we're going to use that. We have it, but we're not going to use it for this installation. So let's get to it. What we've done is the insulation goes between the root rib and the first rib out, and then between the wing spar and the stringer. So up just after the wing spar, we'll show you a picture of it. We've got it marked out, and we're going to set the camera up and put it on high speed and let you folks watch what we're doing. And we'll kind of put some notes in there as we go along. We'll see you on the backside. These are Blair hole cutters. These are like the best thing going. If you're doing any kind of sheet metal work or any kind of avionics installation, drill number 40 hole, and then you have the hole saw. You want to drill any kind of holes on thin gauge material with a hole saw as opposed to a big drill. Otherwise, you'd tear a hole in it. But this is good stuff. Okay, folks, that was installing SB1304A in one wing. It took, Jim, what would it take? About an hour and a half? Hour and a half. So first time out, probably two and a half hours each side. But it went along pretty well. We used the hole cutters to kind of show you that, you know, we didn't have a high-speed router. We did use a air squeeze. You can use a hand squeeze or a rivet gun, but we like the C-squeeze because it works perfect every time. So that's all good. We're fortunate on this airplane, just doing a preliminary look at it. It looks fabulous inside. It's all green primer. It's got the wash primer on it. It hasn't been living in a bad area, so that looks pretty good. So Airworthiness Directive 2020-2405, reference service bulletin, Piper Service Bulletin 1304A. Done on this airplane, so we're gonna move on to other stuff. Fortunately, this one doesn't have any other ADs coming up, so cool beans. But that's it. Hanger rats out. Go get those planes fixed.